Hi, everyone. I'm Paul Taylor, President and CEO of Gideon Taylor Consulting. I'm thrilled to invite you to something really special. Our first ever community event, the GT Ignite 2026 conference. Transformation begins today. GT Ignite will take place March 8th and 9th in Orlando, Florida, alongside Hug's Alliance 2026 conference. GT Ignite is designed for you, the GT user community, including those who are already using GT products and services and those who are planning to. Attendees can expect valuable insight and take home knowledge to help professionals involved in PeopleSoft and Oracle environments across every industry. You'll experience real success stories, hands on learning, powerful ideas from peers and experts who are transforming enterprise systems into intuitive, human centered experiences. From GT eForms and AI powered tools like IDA and the eForms Assistant to deep dives into GT UX, automation, and monetization strategies, GT Ignite will show you how to prepare and create more value for your systems today and help ensure you're prepared for what's next. This is your community opportunity to connect, learn, and be part of something that's entirely new. So please join us next spring in Orlando. Register today for GT Ignite 2026. Let's start transforming together. I can't wait to see you there. I hope you bring some friends.